not sure if my hand was high enough because something is covering the screen. Have you opened your gifts yet? Have you? Have you opened your gifts yet? Do you know what they are? Are they also alive? Or is it something that you feel like the journey has not offered you yet? Because I think that could also work with some people. The gifts don't really arrive until they reach a certain point in their life. Some open it when they are little, some open it when they're my age, or it depends. Humans and circumstances are different, I guess. I was just thinking about it also because some gifts at first they don't really feel like gifts. It feels maybe it's because when you have lived with them all your life, you wouldn't think that there's anything special about it. I think that's also some I guess that's also a perspective, the lack of self-awareness that what you have is actually something valuable just because you have been too exposed with it and you have lived with it, and you think that it's just something that everyone has, maybe that everyone has, that is also pronounced with the other human beings. But then as you go through life, you realize that, wait, I thought everyone has this, or everyone is useful in this department, or everyone is it's quite complicated. I once asked, I remember this. I once asked one of my friends who is a really great drummer. I once asked him, do you think you're talented and gifted, or are you just interested? Because sometimes I also have these questions inside my head, because I have some things in myself that I learned are gifts, but then I'm also starting to think that maybe I'm just interested. That's why I got better on the things. Maybe I'm not gifted, I'm just interested. Or maybe my gift is curiosity also, and this fire. Maybe that is my gift. Maybe I'm not a gifted singer, or not a gifted writer, or not a gifted visual artist. Yeah, I think that's the proper word. Maybe I'm not gifted in this department. Maybe I just got better because I was interested and curious. But when some people see, they would think that it's a gift, because I have had this feedback before when I was young. Also in school, especially in school, that I have a gift. Even my dad said this. Even my dad named some of my gifts for me even before I had the chance to notice what's really there. And it turns out that he has a point in. And also have you heard of the idea about, if you don't use your gifts, it will be the ones that will eat you from the inside out. That at least I know to be true. Because I have certain inclinations that I have not acted sooner, and now I can see how they were the ones trying, causing me some kind of internal and also the idea of the responsibility one must take on, the responsibility that is attached on the gifts that he or she has been given. Because then again, I guess I wrote for 2 hours last night, and I guess this is where this is coming from, the idea. Because there's also that idea of practice your gift every day. Practice or yeah, it really itches my tongue whenever I say gift, because I feel like I'm bragging about it. I guess I only started recognizing them as gifts when I felt the pain of not fulfilling my responsibilities to it, because it feels like it's alive. these things. It wants to, yeah, it wants to go. Maybe this is even part of the gift, I don't know. It wants to walk the earth, and I feel like I am trying to walk for some reason. To like, I spent most of my life trying to do this to my gifts. Hep, hep, hep. No. Or maybe that's why it hurts when I was younger, because of all this trying to suppress what has this burning desire to walk on the earth. These ideas, this they want to go and flourish, and I'm there holding them back. So it causes this internal. But now I'm cooperating. I'm using my hands, I'm giving my time, I'm being mature and responsible. Because I know what it's like, or how it feels like to be dissolved atom by atom from the inside, just because of this fire or force or whatever it is that you call them, the life that just wants to see the light of day. And now I'm cooperating with the growth, with the waves, maybe. So yeah, I feel like I have to run. I still want to sit and rest and talk, but I have to run. But yeah, have you answered the call of your gifts? Are you in a place in your life where you can? Because that can also happen. That can also happen. I guess I was just lucky to have this opportunity to cooperate with my gifts, I guess. Yeah, there's a certain element of luck, I guess, with even having the opportunity to sit and talk and think. But yeah, I guess I have to run. I want to also thank you again.